Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering facts. Check your device model, Android version, and available RAM because Pojavlauncher needs enough memory to run. Reproduce the crash immediately and save the log or copy ADB logcat lines. This tells you why code 1 happened. Once done, open Pojavlauncher settings and confirm the Java runtime version and the exact Minecraft version, because mismatches often cause exits. Make sure to note any mod jars or resource packs loaded. They change class paths and can break startup. Next, you change the runtime and memory so the launcher can actually start the game. In Pojavlauncher settings, pick the Java runtime that matches the Minecraft build. Older releases need Java 8, newer builds may prefer Java 11. That prevents class errors. Increase the heap to 1024 or 2048 MB if your device has enough free RAM, because low memory triggers immediate exits. Once done, restart and test with clean, vanilla files so you isolate mod-related causes and repeat log capture if it fails. Finally, you fix remaining corruption and environment issues by clearing cache or reinstalling Pojavlauncher while keeping world backups. Corrupted caches often cause code 1. Make sure native libraries and binaries match your CPU architecture, ARM versus x86, because mismatched natives cause immediate process exit. Update system web view or GPU drivers if rendering crashes occur, then relaunch. If it still exits with code 1, run ADB logcat again and focus on the first exception or stack trace line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.